Welcome! Today, we're diving into a handy feature in Google Chrome that allows you to manage how websites request permission for picture-in-picture, or PiP mode. This is especially useful if you want to control when videos pop out and float above your other windows. Let's get started with the steps to set this up. First, open your Chrome browser. Make sure you have the latest version installed, as the picture-in-picture feature has been enhanced in recent updates. You can check for updates by clicking on the three dots in the upper right corner, selecting Help, and then About Google Chrome. Next, navigate to the site you want to configure for PiP. This could be a video streaming service or any website that supports video playback. Once you're on the site, look at the address bar. Now, next to the web address, you'll see a small icon that indicates site information. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu contains important settings related to the website's permissions. From here, select Site Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various permissions for that specific site. It's important to note that changes made here will only affect this website and not others. Now, look for the option labeled Automatic Picture-in-Picture. By default, this setting may be set to Allow, which means videos will automatically enter PiP mode when you start them. To change this behavior, click on the drop-down menu next to it. Finally, choose Ask from the options provided. This means that whenever you start a video on this site, Chrome will ask for your permission before enabling picture-in-picture mode. This is a great way to keep control over your browsing experience without being interrupted by unexpected video pop-ups. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've configured Google Chrome to ask for PiP permission on your chosen website. This feature enhances your multitasking capabilities while ensuring that you have control over when videos pop out into their own floating windows. Enjoy your browsing experience.